What a great personalized tour! Christian was a wonderful guide with outstanding knowledge of the culture and history of Tahiti. The food preparation and experience was only the beginning of a great tour. The walking tour through Papeete was excellent. He grew up on the very streets we walked. If you can spare a few hours on the island of Tahiti, you don't want to miss this fun and educational experience. Christian was great. I would definitely recommend him. Very knowledgeable and great food. Discover Papeete through a guided cultural tour that includes a visit to the vibrant local market and a hands-on Tahitian raw fish workshop. Enjoy tasting your creation in a garden setting and finish with a guided walk through the heart of Papeete, learning about the city's history and evolution. The morning tour features a market visit with your guide, followed by preparing Tahitian raw fish for breakfast. Experience tasting your freshly made dish in a garden before continuing to explore Papeete on foot. The night tour includes a 1-hour city visit and a workshop where you prepare Tahitian raw fish with coconut milk. The tour provides insights into Polynesian flavors, local traditions, and the stories behind the capital of French Polynesia.